our art friends. Today in Kiddy Kanjo, we are going to learn how to write the word summer in block letters. So let's start drawing. First, we're gonna write the word summer using a pencil as a guide for us. Do you know how to spell summer? It's S-U-M-M-E-R. We chose to write all the letters as uppercases, except the letter E, we wrote it as lowercase. But you can do it any way you want. And for the second M, we make the right part a little bit curvy at the end. For the letter R, we made the right part also longer than the left one. For all the letters, we're gonna use the guide the same way. We'll draw a small horizontal line at each end of the letter, as we're doing for the letter S now. Then we're gonna draw two letter S, one on the inner side and one on the outer side. For the letter U, we're going to make it the shape of a cup, also by drawing the shape of the cup 2 times, connecting them together with a small horizontal line at each end of the letter U. With the letter N, we're also gonna start with the 2 horizontal lines. Then we are going to draw a letter M on the inner side. And another letter M on the outer side. Just make this N have 2 horizontal lines on the top. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make the second letter M similarly. Except when you make the horizontal line on the right side, make it a little bit tilted. And follow the curved line on the right side while making your block letter. For the letter E, at its end draw a horizontal line, then draw a letter C connected to it on the outer part of your guide. Then make a longer horizontal line at the upper end of the letter C, then connect it with a curve to the lower end, following the guide. Start the letter R similarly, then draw the outer part, following the guide, then draw the bottom part. Then make an uppercase letter D in the middle to finish the R. Now we are going to decorate. Decorate however you want. We made some dashes on the letter S as if it's a road. You can use the guide to help you. We made the same on the letter E. We decorated the first M with some circles and the second M with some stars. And we decorated the letter R with some diagonal stripes. Draw a straw in the cup shape as the letter U. and decorate it with some diagonal lines. We are going to draw a sun on top by making a circle, then drawing several letter U's around it. And connecting them all together with some dashes. Then for a ladybug, draw a circle and a half circle for the head, draw a line in the middle of the body, and some circles on each side for the spot. For the sunglasses, draw a horizontal line slightly tilted, then draw the lenses any shape you want. And connect them together with a small line. To draw some flip-flops at the bottom, draw half an oval shape, then draw the toe post and the strap, and finish the flip-flop with another half of an oval shape. Draw the second flip-flop similarly. To draw a beach ball, draw a large circle and a smaller one inside, then draw some stripes inside the ball. We also decorated with a little flower at the bottom and another one on the top. Now you can erase the guides that we drew at the beginning. Summertime! Now you can write the word summer in block letters. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.